Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Patrick and Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So Bitcoin, really nice strong reversal. Before we get to that, I'll zoom out on the daily chart. Just want to show where we came up with our last set of levels from the high on the 16th, the most recent move. So you can do the move that started it and the most recent move are the two ones to really consider for your levels. That came down and projected a 72.48 level. And this spiked down to 72.40, and we did get divergences down here, and now we're getting a strong move up. Next major area we're watching for is about this 8,200, and if we get through that, we'll be watching for right around about 85.50 to 85.70. Let me also zoom out to daily because we had a bunch of patterns here. We had also the next major double top level down to 74.11, which we spiked below. So we hit the next highest probability double target top, or double top target. And now we're moving back. So again, the next major target is 8,200 area, 8,250, which is the prior resistance area from this last move up. And again, if we rally back through that major resistance, 85.70. That's where the declining 8 and the 50% retracement of this down moves coming in. We can also extend these levels down here to see where we're looking for the next ones. Minor 7,069, pretty major 6,900, and then 67.86. So we'll keep fine tuning these as we drop down with new rotation lows. So we still haven't hit the final target on the double, but this move has been overextended. We just got a nice sell-off, and this is a pretty strong recovery. And we did have divergences on the daily chart setting up. See, we made a lower low in price, higher low in the RSI. So this leads us to believe that we'll put in a bigger rally, probably back to the daily rotation zone. Switching over to Ethereum, so you see we had our next major levels coming down at 486, and we had our minor levels from this most recent swing to this pausing bar, which gave us down to 461. Pretty much the close was, low was 452, the close was 461. So we've hit that. Now I'm just going to shift this over. Gone through the first 125 retracement target. Next major area we're watching is pretty much 563 to about 583 resistance. And if we get through that, we'll be watching for 622. Can also update these levels now. Should this head back to the rotation zone and head lower, we can update the minor and the major levels and check that out on the daily chart. So let's switch over to that chart right now and see where we're sitting. So you can see that nice long tail being left behind. Major area on the daily chart. Rotation zone coming in right now about 616 at the bottom, and then on a stronger move up we'd be watching for probably around 650 655 area. Now if this breaks down again, major clusters coming in 396 to 408 and then 341, so keep that in mind down there. But this is a nice bottoming tail. An aggressive entry can also be if this does hold and we do a 50% retracement of this candle and then rotate back up. That can be an aggressive entry into Ethereum. But keep in mind, you are going against the daily rotation zone, so you want to be very aggressive moving up your stops or be somewhat aggressive taking profits off the table. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.